Hey, what's up? My name's Ari Owens, and I'm from Monterey, California. I'm currently based out of Edmond, Oklahoma, and I joined LIA because I'm tired of having empty words when I tell someone I want to help them, when I tell my mom I want to give back to her for everything good she's done in my life, for all those friends that are going through hard times and I can't do anything about it, for my kids and their future and what I want to be able to give them, for all the people I come across that, you know, they have it rougher than me and I can't give back to them because, you know, I can tell them I'm sorry, I can sympathize, I can empathize all I want, but at the end of the day, money talks. And yeah, sure, money can't empathize, money can't sympathize, but man, you put money in the hands of someone who wants to bless others, and I see the world growing in kindness. That's what I want to be about. That's what I want to do. I want to just bless others, and hey man, if I could get blessed in the process, I'm all for it. I am all for it. What I enjoy most about LIA is that there's no judgment. Man, I can put my deals up in LIA for anyone to see, and nobody's gonna, I don't have to be afraid of anyone taking that. Heck, I can be expecting nothing but a yes or no, and someone's gonna write me a paragraph, someone's gonna send me a video call or message telling me exactly what they think and giving me so much value that I could never get outside of LIA anywhere. Man, we have access to literally so much that you can't put a value on it. Truthfully, you can't put a value on any of it. And in terms of my 2023 goals, you know, I started, and it's only halfway through the year, but I started with a goal of just making my salary at $60,000. I want to make more than that. I want to make six figures. I want to make double six figures, honestly. I want to make like 200K this year, and I want to be able to give so much of it out, and at the same time grow my business, automate this. And I mean, my dedication is top notch. I want to be able to help everyone out there. And I mean, when I talk about how serious I am, just look at this. I am on my roof right now, ready to give the world to this business and my family, because every single vacant lot out there, I'm gonna send a mailer to, and I'm gonna try and buy. Hey, you know, people are gonna tell me to screw off. People are gonna tell me they don't care, that I insulted them. But at the end of the day, I don't care, because all I'm trying to do is help you, help whoever you are, right? And I know at the end of the day, that's gonna be what makes me succeed. It's not gonna be my offer over someone else's when it comes to money. It's gonna be the rapport I build. If there's anything that's taught me that, it's today on a seller call, on a lead that I didn't expect to have in front of the whole LIA crew. So yeah, wish me luck getting off this roof, but we'll see how that happens. I'll keep you updated. Thanks, Sumner. I appreciate every opportunity you've given me.